Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to factory reset your Razer Viper V3 Pro mouse to its default factory settings, then this video is for you. You can do is make sure that your Razer Viper V3 Pro mouse is connected with your PC, and the same PC where you have just installed the Razer Viper software. It is a software that can be used to control all the Razer accessories that are connected with your PC. So after connecting with your PC, you can find it listed in your Razer Viper 4 after launching the Razer Viper 4 application or the software on your PC. Then you have to do is navigate to the device you want. You have to navigate to that device, like that's mean the Razer Viper V3 Pro, the mouse. You can find the device that is connected. Now after navigating that to the device, you have to simply click on that. Then there you can find the help icon, just this question mark here. Then you have to simply click on help icon to locate at the top right corner. Then after that, you can easily and clearly find the factory reset option with a reset button. You have to simply click on reset and click delete to confirm the reset action when prompted. So it will actually reset this device back to its factory settings. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.